Hi, today we shall learn how to make a Hindi word from three consonants. Okay, now we shall take three consonants in Hindi consonant tables. You can see on the screen board, here is Hindi consonant table. Now we shall three consonants from here. First consonant we shall take ka, second consonant we shall take ma, and third consonant we shall take la. Now we shall repeat one by one like this ka, ma, la. If you difficult to speak, then speak slow ka, ma, la. When you can perfect speak, then remove the space and speak quickly like this. Kamal. What is the meaning of Kamal in Hindi? For example, in English, lots mean Kamal. Here is Hindi word Kamal. Kamal means a flower of lots. I hope you will understand this word. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends. Okay, see you again, a new topic, a new video. Thank you for watching.